Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The screen on your Surface Pro 4 is cracked and the touch functionality is unresponsive. This often happens due to accidental drops or impacts, and if left unrepaired, it may lead to further internal damage and increased repair costs. It's essential to address this issue promptly to maintain the device's functionality and longevity. For this repair, you will need a suction cup, a plastic opening tool, a pentalobe screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a replacement screen and battery specifically for the Surface Pro 4. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, apply the suction cup near the edge of the screen and gently pull while inserting the plastic opening tool to pry open the screen. Be cautious as there are delicate cables underneath. Once you've opened the device, locate the cracked screen. You'll need to disconnect the battery first to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully remove any screws securing the battery connector using the Torx screwdriver. Once the connector is free, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new screen and align it properly, ensuring that any connectors are seated correctly. Apply even pressure around the edges to secure it in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new screen, reconnect the battery and replace the screws you previously removed. Once everything is back in place, carefully close the device, ensuring no cables are pinched or damaged. Press down firmly around the edges to seal it correctly. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to ensure that the new screen and battery are functioning as intended. To prevent future issues, consider using a protective case and be cautious when handling your device. It's always wise to keep your device away from edges and surfaces where it could easily fall. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.